Welcome to English Guru YouTube channel. Please click the red subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive all notifications about my new video lectures. Good morning students. In today's video lecture I will talk about the most important questions based on titles of honor given to the eminent authors and poets. Okay, now let's start. Question number 1. Who is called the morning star of Renaissance? Here the answer will be Geoffrey Chaucer. Question number 2. Who is called the morning star of Reformation? Here the answer will be John Wycliffe. Because of his contribution to challenging the Catholic Church and his calls for reform, John Wycliffe was called the morning star of Reformation. Question number 3. Who is known as the morning star of Romanticism? Here the answer will be Thomas Gray. Question number 4. Who is called the morning star of Elizabethan drama? Here the answer will be Christopher Marlowe. Question number 5. Who is known as the father of English poetry? Here the answer will be Geoffrey Chaucer. Question number 6. Who is known as the father of English prose? Here the father of English prose is known as William Tyndale. Question number 7. Who is known as the father of essay? So Montaigne is known as the father of essay. He is a French writer and philosopher. Question number 8. Who is known as the father of English essay? Here the answer will be Francis Bacon. Francis Bacon is known as the father of English essay. Who is called the father of English grammar? Here the answer will be Lindley Murray. Lindley Murray is called the father of English grammar. Question number 10. Who is known as the father of tragedy? So, according to the philosopher Flavius Philostratus, Flavius, Flavius, Philostratus, Philostratus, Aeschylus is known as the father of tragedy. Question number 11. Who is known as the father of comedy? So, Aristophanes is known as the father of comedy. He is also known as Prince of Ancient Comedy. Question number 12. Who is called the father of English criticism? So here Dryden was considered to be the father of English criticism by Samuel Johnson precisely because he contributed so much to the overall of literary criticism in the canon of English literature. Question number 13. Who is known as the father of impressionistic analytic criticism? So here the answer is Samuel Taylor Coleridge. Claude Monet is known as the father of impressionism. The spelling of Claude Monet is Claudemonet. Claude Monet. He is also known as the father of impressionism. Question number 14. Who is called the father of historical novel? Here the answer is Walter Scott. He has written about 27 historical novels. Question number 15. Who is known as the father of detective fiction? Here the answer is Edgar Allan Poe. Edgar Allan Poe is called the father of detective fiction. Question number 16. Who is known as the father of picaresque novel? So here the answer is Thomas Nash. The first picaresque novel in England was Thomas Nash's Unfortunate Traveller or The Life of Jack Wilton, which was published in 1594. Question number 17. Who is known as the father of modern biography? Here the answer will be Lytton Strachey. Question number 18. Who is known as the father of English dramatic poetry? The answer will be Christopher Marlowe. Question number 19. Who is known as the father of literary romanticism? The answer will be Jean-Jacques Rousseau. And the father of romantic poetry is William Wordsworth. Question number 20. Who is called the father of English socialism? So Robert Owen is called the father of English socialism. He was a Welsh socialist and social reformer. He is considered the father of the cooperative movement. Question number 21. Who is called the father of American transcendentalism? Here transcendentalism means अतीन्द्रियवाद या अतिमावाद या लोकोत्तरवाद. In English, any system of philosophy emphasizing the intuitive and spiritual above the empirical and material. So here the answer will be R.W. Emerson, Ralph Waldo Emerson. Ralph Waldo Emerson is called the father of American transcendentalism. Okay, let's see question number 22. Who is known as the father of Bengali fiction? So the father of Bengali fiction is Bankim Chand Chatterjee or Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay. Question number 23. Who is called the grandfather of English novel? So here the answer will be Geoffrey Chaucer is called the grandfather of English novel. Chaucer has been called the father of English poetry. He is also called the grandfather of English novel. Question number 24. Who is known as the grandfather of modern detective fiction? Here the answer will be Wilkie Collins. The Moonstone, which was written in 1868, was the first full-length detective novel by Wilkie Collins. Now question number 25. Who is known as Swan of Avon? Here the answer will be William Shakespeare. Question number 26. Who is called the first romantic critic? Here the answer will be Longinus. Scott James calls Longinus as the first romantic critic. Question number 27. Who is called the father of English novel? Here the answer will be Henry Fielding. Sir Walter Scott called Henry Fielding the father of English novel. Okay. Now question number 28. Who is known as the monarch of wit? Here the answer will be John Donne. Question number 29. Who is called the priest of nature? The answer will be William Wordsworth. Question number 30. Who is known as Indian Shakespeare? Here the answer is Kalidas. Kalidas is known as the Shakespeare of India. Question number 31. Who is known as Indian Scott? Here the answer will be Mulk Raj Anand. Question number 32. Which author is entitled as the Great Unknown? Here the answer will be Walter Scott. Walter Scott has been called the Great Unknown by Edgar Johnson. Question number 33. Who is known as Glorious John? Here the answer will be John Dryden. Walter Scott called John Dryden a glorious John. Now question number 34. Who is called poet's poet? Here Charles Lamb named Edmund Spenser the poet's poet. So the answer will be here Edmund Spenser. Question number 35. Who is called the true child of Renaissance and Reformation? Here the answer will be Edmund Spenser. Spencer is called the child of Renaissance and Reformation as his works are the finest expression and exposition of ideals and principles of the Renaissance and Reformation. Okay, now let's see question number 36. Who has been recognized as the touchstone of English poetic sensibility? Here the answer will be Edmund Spenser. Edmund Spenser has been recognized as the touchstone of English poetic sensibility, and touchstone term was coined by Matthew Arnold in his essay The Study of Poetry. Now question number 37. Who is entitled as literary bad boy of the Victorians? Here the answer will be Samuel Butler. Question number 38. Who is known as the Chaucer of Scotland? Here the answer will be William Dunbar. William Dunbar is known as the Chaucer of Scotland. Question number 39. Who is known as the pioneer of modern philosophy? Here the answer will be Francis Bacon. Francis Bacon is known as the pioneer of modern philosophy. Question number 40. Who is entitled as the last of the Romanticists? Here the answer will be W.B. Yeats. Question number 41. Who is called first of the women novelists? Here the answer will be Frances Burney, also known as Fanny Burney, Fanny Burney, born in 1752 and died in 1840. Question number 42. Who is known as the Romantic Paradox? Here the answer will be Lord Byron. Question number 43. Who is known as the founder of English regional novel? Here the answer will be Maria Ainsworth. Question number 44. Who is called the ploughman poet? Here the answer will be Robert Burns. He was Scottish poet and lyricist. Question number 45. Who is called the Prince of English essayists? Here the answer will be Charles Lamb. Charles Lamb is called the Prince of English essayists. Question number 46. Who is known as the master illusionist? Here the answer will be Daniel Defoe. Question number 47. Who is entitled as prose Shakespeare? Here Lewes, Lewes, Lewes called Jane Austen a prose Shakespeare. So your answer will be Jane Austen. Question number 48. Who is known as the peasant poet? Here the answer will be John Clare. John Clare is known as the peasant poet. Now question number 49. Who is known as the last Elizabethan? Here the answer will be John Milton. Question number 50. The title Lady of Christ is associated with? Here the answer will be John Milton. The title Lady of Christ is associated with John Milton. Question number 51. Who is called the poetical son of Spenser? Here the answer will be John Milton. John Dryden called Milton the poetical son of Spenser. Okay. Now question number 52. Who is called the Prince of English satirists? Here the answer will be Jonathan Swift. Now question number 53. Who is called the last great Victorian? So here the answer will be George Meredith. George Meredith is also known as the Dean of English Writers and the Grand Old Man of Letters. Okay. Now let's see question number 54. Who is entitled as Darwin's Bulldog? So here the answer will be Thomas Henry Huxley. Thomas Henry Huxley is known as Darwin's bulldog for his advocacy of Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. Okay. Now question number 55. Who is known as the Ibsen of the West? Here the answer will be Hamlin Garland. Hamlin Garland is known as the Ibsen of the West. So students, this was all about today's lecture. In every TGT, PGT or UGC NET exams, questions are compulsorily asked based on the topic that we have discussed in this video. So prepare it thoroughly and please like, share and subscribe my English Guru YouTube channel. I wish you all the best for your forthcoming examination. Thank you.